On my way into St. Louis, I saw the signs for Cahokia. If you had gone to college in the aughts and smoked a lot of weed, you watched Ancient Aliens and you knew all about Cahokia. This was the one, the vast empire. And since it was right here in the middle of the country, it didn't start here. It came from somewhere else. Possibly Mayan, possibly alien, possible something from Egypt we don't even know about yet. Because there's rumors there's Egyptian coins. There was 100% conch shells found from thousands of miles away. It makes no sense here. So I vowed that on the way out of St. Louis, I was going to stop at Cahokia. I was going to sit down. I was going to feel the vibes. Hopefully a pterodactyl or some fucking gray alien thing would come and talk to me. Cahokia is so old, it predates the Native American communities we know of. The Indians who encountered Lewis and Clark told them that this place was already abandoned when they showed up here hundreds of years before this. This city was the center of a vast and powerful empire. They've discovered copper artifacts here from Upper Michigan, mica from the Appalachians, quartz from Oklahoma, and even though the quote-unquote real scientists say this is impossible, somehow the unknown empire left behind Egyptian coins when they disappeared. Climbing up to the top of Cahokia, the greatest civilization in the world at one time. This may not look that high, but this is high as hell. By the time I was halfway, I was winded. When I got to the top, I was dead. And you can see why they built the mound here. It is so flat that at the top of this thing, you could see all the way to St. Louis. You would never be surprised by an enemy. Cahokia is further proof that we know nothing about this human story and everything we were fed in school was total bullshit. All right, I wanted to do this for years. As soon as I read about this place for the first time, now I'm at the top of fucking Cahokia. Like you can see St. Louis right behind me. So that means that from this mound you can literally see everything for dozens and dozens of miles. It must have been insane when Lewis and Clark came through here and the Indians told them about a civilization that predated them that they knew nothing about. They found Egyptian artifacts here. They found shit from all over the world that doesn't make any sense here. So there was clearly a worldwide network of trade or aliens or something hundreds and hundreds of years before any kind of like other advanced civilization took over, and nobody knows where these people went or what happened. It's insane. There's St. Louis. You see other mounds in the distance too. This is the big one though. Woodhenge. Here we have something called Woodhenge, which I've never heard of, but I assume that like in Ireland and England and Wales, there was some celestial purpose to this, and since we don't have stones here, they use the trees. As you can see, right behind it is this beautiful quarry, which obstructs the view and makes this whole thing look terrible. But this is ancient land, and I'm assuming because they fucked it up so bad, that's why East St. Louis is so cursed. See that beautiful rock pile and cement processing center right through this ancient spiritual site? Is anything more American than that?